Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and if you're a content creator, you probably know the pain of spending hours turning one long-form video into a week's worth of snackable clips. Today, I want to walk you through something we built that actually makes that whole editing process feel, well, human again. It's called Vizard, and if you've ever used tools like CapCut or Premiere, you know how much they've helped with smart defaults and auto captions. But when you really need to fine-tune things, like pulling the perfect 12-second clip or testing different variants, things usually get messy and slow. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine my friend Mia trying to prep a long interview where the host drops a golden line, but she can't quite get the pacing right. In most tools, she'd be stuck scouring the timeline, nudging frames, and tweaking audio fades, only to realize the timing is still just slightly off. It's incredibly time-consuming, and if she wants to try 4 different versions to see which one goes viral, she has to repeat that entire soul-crushing process. People thought natural language processing would solve this, just telling the editor to make that quote punchier. But that comes with its own limitations. You still have to deal with questions like how to iterate, how to nudge the timing by just a few milliseconds, or how to reproduce those exact tweaks across other clips. Natural language gets you 80% of the way there, but that remaining 20% is where we, as creators, actually live. So, we built Vizard to bridge that gap by letting AI do the heavy lifting while giving you intuitive UI controls that appear on the fly. It's like telling the editor to make the clip snappier, and then instantly getting a compact control panel that lets you dial in the feeling without digging through menus. Let's go back to Mia. When she uploads her 50-minute interview, Vizard automatically suggests high-potential moments like laughs or strong statements. She just types, "Grab the moment where they say this changed everything," and Vizard creates the clip while giving her a custom mini widget to fine-tune it. She can drag the trim slider to stretch or tighten the clip, flip a rhythm toggle, and nudge captions so they land exactly when the sentence hits. Once she finds the sweet spot, she saves that widget as a template and applies it to other quotes, giving her 6 optimized clips in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about Ben, a tech channel creator who hates the manual grind of scheduling 5 clips a week. He types auto-schedule 2 clips per week, and Vizard's algorithm takes over, analyzing his best posting times and spreading them out perfectly. If he wants to double down on a viral hit, he just taps a widget, tweaks the thumbnail, and hits boost to push the clip at a different time next week. Riley, who juggles content across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, uses the content calendar to manage everything in one single view. She can drag clips around, change platforms with a drop-down, and Vizard automatically adjusts the aspect ratios and caption lengths for her. For those granular tweaks, that same dynamic widget system pops up, like a crop tool for Instagram or a caption slider for Twitter. Under the hood, Vizard works through 3 core pieces: the content analyzer, the clip engine, and the widget generator. The analyzer finds the emotional spikes, the engine turns your words into edits, and the widget generator builds the specific UI you need at that exact moment. We put this to the test with 24 creators, comparing a baseline editor to Vizard's dynamic widget workflow. The results were clear. Creators using Vizard completed tasks faster, reported lower mental strain, and felt more in control of the final output. It turns out that people prefer a hybrid approach, using natural language for the big moves and widgets for the precise, iterative stuff. Creators told us that widgets were way more reliable than fighting with an AI to get the nuance right over and over again. It gives them that crucial last-mile control, so they don't feel like they're just handing everything off to an opaque algorithm. Of course, it's not perfect, and some users noted that you need to stay organized so your workspace doesn't get cluttered with too many widgets. But compared to other tools, Vizard hits the sweet spot between smart discovery and manual precision. If you're a creator who loves AI but still wants to steer the ship pixel by pixel, this is exactly what we built for you. So if you want to see it in action, just upload any long video and try prompting for a specific clip, Then watch how fast you can iterate with widgets. It's not about replacing your workflow, it's about finally making the parts you hate doing actually feel fun. Thanks for hanging out, and if you're curious, I'd love to walk you through a live demo to show how this can save you hours of grinding. Peace, and I hope to see you inside Vizard soon.